So, hi dear Capricorn, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is 7 days, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Uh, from 23rd till the 29th of September, and it's going to be one message for each day. You can take it as guidance or messages or warnings, or you can take it as obstacles and challenges. If you are on your spiritual path, take it how it resonates with you, okay, according to your situation. And if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Cappies, let's see. 7 messages for Capricorn from 23rd till the 29th of September. Okay, honey, just give me a second here. 23rd, we have the ordinariness. So in your day-to-day life, you might be feeling like, okay, I need some excitement, I need to go somewhere, I need to go on adventure, I need to take a break or something like that. But the universe wants you to understand that there's excitement, there's happiness, there's so much in ordinary things as well that you can do, okay, that you can enjoy in your day-to-day life. It's all about being mindful about whatever you're doing, enjoying whatever you're doing. So especially ordinary things. So basically, if you're not able to enjoy like a laundry, or if you're not able to like just take a walk in a garden, or just enjoy sunset or sunrise or something like that, just do ordinary things and enjoy that, and you're going to feel like a different kind of energy in yourself, okay. 24th of September, we have the postponement. So if there's something that you are worried about and continuously getting delays over delays, so take this postponement as a sign from the universe that right now it's not the right time. Okay, for some of you, you must postpone something that you are trying to rush towards or hurry towards, because there might be something that's not good right now or that's not settled right now. Okay, so take this as a good sign, good energy, instead of getting frustrated or irritated by this situation. This is something that's kind of protecting you from something that's not good for you at this present moment. Okay, for some of you, if you're rushing towards something or someone and you feel like, okay, I should not do that, postpone that situation for the time being. 25th of September, we have the beyond illusion. So you will be able to see something or someone for what they are and who they are, instead of trying to create some kind of illusions or delusions in your head. So it is a message also, it's a warning also, it's a guidance as well, also 3 in 1. So if you're not able to see people, situations, things for what they are, and living in some kind of bubble or circle or illusion or delusion, you will not be able to get what you really want unless you're going to see that particular thing or person or situation for what they are. So you have to move beyond the illusions and delusions to see things and people and situations for what they are, so that you can get the truth of the situation, and accordingly you can get the answers. Okay, now for 26th, we have the going with the flow. The more you are going to be in this energy of going with the flow, instead of going like opposite going in the opposite direction, the more it's going to be beneficial for you. So going with the flow, not like stopping the flow, not going opposite in the opposite direction of the flow, is very important for you guys to understand that this is how life works, this is how spiritual growth works. Okay, so let's say, for example, you want to open up your third eye chakra, and you're meditating from maybe 3 years now. I'm just giving you an example. Sometimes it happens, and you're not getting any kind of improvement in that area of your life, and you're trying and you're trying and you're trying, so suddenly you stopped. So going with the flow means keep on doing whatever you feel like you should do. That's giving you a sense of achievement. That's giving you a sense of, okay, I'm doing the right thing. Just keep on doing that. And when the results are meant to happen, it will happen eventually. Okay. So that is the message here for you guys for the 26th. For the 27th, we have the completion. So again, you are about to give up on something or someone, and you feel like this is never going to happen. This cycle, this chapter is never going to end, or this is never going to be completed or finished. But the moment you're going to give up, you're going to realize that you were about to reach the completion of a cycle in a particular area of your life, in a particular direction, because this is something that's one piece of puzzle, one thing that is required from your side, one action, or one more day, one more week, or one more month, or whatever it is applicable in your case, and you will be able to achieve the success that you are wanting from that particular situation. Okay, it's all about being patient and waiting for the completion, waiting for this situation to unfold in front of you slowly but surely. It's all about not giving up. Okay, in the 27th. 28th we have this schizophrenia. So in this particular card, you have to let go of everything and everyone that's not serving you anymore. It's not about letting go of small, like certain things, and then holding on to something that's not serving you anymore, even if it is hurting you or harming you, and you know you should let it go. So it's like trusting the universe, trusting the process, and letting go of the people and situations and things that's not serving you anymore altogether. It's like something you need to do for something you had to do from a very long time, but it's the right time for you to let go of this particular person or situation or thing that you're holding on to, and surrender to the divine. Let go and surrender, okay? But do it like with full force. Now it's not like, okay, I'm talking to you today, then I'm not talking to you tomorrow, then I'm with you tomorrow, day after, then I'm not talking to you. Don't make it like this, okay? Don't make it troublesome kind of energy. Yeah. Now the last message for the 29th of September is the outsider. So you might be feeling like there are circumstances or situations or things that are not in your control. It's not like that. See, the door is not closed, the lock is not closed. This child can completely open the door and go outside of this, okay? So you might be feeling like there are certain things or people or situations or certain circumstances that are out of your hands, you can't do anything about it. It's not like that. You can just open the door, you can just untangle the conflicts and issues or whatever is going on. You can open the door and you can go out, and you can find the solution. It's all in your head that you can't do anything about it. It's all in your head, okay? The lock is not closed, the door is not closed. It's just an illusion that it's closed. So to find out the solution for the problem that you're facing in your head, you have the solution within yourself. All you have to do is go inside and understand this is the solution, and work on that, okay? And you will be definitely able to find the solution to whatever you are stuck on and feeling like, okay, you can't, you can, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste. Okay, something is here. Yeah, no.